of the new location, and it is just temporary, but I love how open and how bright it is. You know, it was really good for filming, so I just have to enjoy it as long as I can. The new collection is nice, but I think the packaging is a little bit busy, but it's still cute. This new collection, I love the colors and how the white background is with these candles. Super, super nice. I absolutely love it. Now I absolutely love these single wick candles. I love the packaging. I love how simple they are with just that pop of color with just a little small decoration on it. Love it, love it, love it. Along with the candle sale, Bath & Body Works was doing a $6.50 aromatherapy sale as well. So I decided to smell some of the new items that they just released. And because y'all know I love Bath & Body Works aromatherapy, I had to grab some. So I decided to do a little small demo on the mist just to see what it smells like. It's actually really nice, but the mist was not on sale. That absolutely sucks because I really like the mist, but it wasn't on sale. So I decided to just grab some of the body wash and the lotion. I love these new fall body care collections. I don't think I'm gonna buy any unless I get them with free rewards, but other than that, I'm not gonna buy any. But I do love the packaging and I love the blends that they are doing for the fall season. You know, I'm not a real big fan of the cakes and the donuts and things like that, but when they do blends like this, I actually really like it. Also, just to add, I only buy the body care that blends well with my high-end perfumes. Those are the only scents that I normally buy. I actually really like this pocket back holder. This wearable holder. I actually really like it, and I was very close to buying it, but when I seen that price, it was a no for me. But I do actually like it. These hand sanitizers, I didn't buy any because I have tons of hand sanitizers, so I passed on this as well. Okay, y'all, I'm out the store. My store is in a temporary location, as y'all, I did show y'all that beautiful store. I love how bright the store is now. So nice. I wish they would stay in this location, but they're going back to their old location in October. But they didn't have any paper bags, so they put my stuff in these plastic bags, these huge plastic bags. I'm not sure if this is the new thing or not. I don't know, but this bag is huge. So I don't know, y'all, but I personally think the paper bags is way better than these plastic bags. Yes, they are sturdy, but as far as the environment, I think the paper bags is a little better. Okay, yeah, as y'all do see, I'm back at home. My camera shut off on me, so I had to let it cool down. So I decided to just come on home. And yeah, and I stopped and checked my P.O. box. I actually got a birthday gift. I already opened it, yay. So I already know what it is. And it came with a card that says, from happy birthday from your #1 fan. That's funny because I see y'all as my riders, as my MVPs, as my people, my friends, you know. So to say a fan is kind of funny to me. But it's some of these forever flowers. Got some forever roses. It's from the, let's see. It's from the Million Roses. Million Roses is where this is from. And these those roses that's supposed to last a whole year. So yeah, shout out to the person that sent these flowers. I truly, truly appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And y'all will most definitely see these displayed in my videos once I get my room together. And it's almost together. I cannot wait. So I'm excited to get this. I can't believe it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I truly, truly appreciate all of y'all. Everybody that said happy birthday to me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Everybody who sent me things, thank you. I appreciate that. So yeah, like I said, don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave in the comments, let me know what did you buy on this $15.95 sale, as well as this aromatherapy sale. Did you grab anything, any of the new candles? Did you place any orders? This is the last week that you could use your coupon. They expire on the 29th, so make sure y'all get y'all orders in. Make sure if you don't use the 20% coupon, make sure you just go and get your free item. Just do that, if anything. Yeah, follow your girl on Instagram, and I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. Thanks for always supporting me. Y'all are my riders, my MVPs. I truly, truly appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.